Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 703, our naked motorcycle. As the new Zontes 703 is entering all countries around the globe, I wanted to show you the fuel tank protection detailing being applied to the motorcycle. Zontes 703 R Fuel Tank Decal Video Tutorial. Remove the fuel tank decal paper from the vehicle accessory box. Before applying the decal, first clean the fuel tank decal area to avoid affecting the decal effect. The right side fuel tank decal process is shown. The protective cover will guard against stone chips, etc., and protect your fuel tank in many different ways. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, Mad Mick.